Hello teacher, my name is Hayan. Today I will talk about hop, hop, hop. Hi, I'm teacher Erin. Welcome to my story time. Boy and girl, do you have an animal that can hop? I do. I do think a frog can hop. A kangaroo can hop, and a little rabbit and hop too. Today our story is hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. I can hop in the grass. Boy and girl, it can. I can see a bunny rabbit. Can you see a favorite animal? That I can see a green hop. A green hop can hop. I can hop in the lake. Boy and girl, where do you have how come from that green lake? Come from tree. I can hop the what friend. What is the friend? My frog very good. The what is man for start STONES. So I can have the rock. Then let's go the room. How many cocks can you see? I can 1, 2, 3, 4. Four rock. I can hop in a house. Boy and girl, boy and girl, can you see a little animal? That I can see a bird. Bird happy. I think so. I think the bird is very happy. I can hop up and stay. Boy and girl, can you hop up the start? I think you can put the can. Okay, I can hop on a bear. Boy and girl, can you see orange vegetable? I can. What is the dry? It's a carrot. I can see an carrot, and I can hop in the tail. Boy and girl, can you see something yellow? Something that say quack quack. That's very good. That's very good. I can see a little duck, and I can see a happy. Goodbye, teacher.